Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be sharing with you one of my favorite recipes. It's aloo paratha. So let's see how to make aloo paratha. Here I have taken 1.5 spoon yogurt, half a teaspoon salt, around 2 tablespoon oil. Instead of water, I am using warm milk here. Mix it all together. Using milk and yogurt will help us to get soft dough and eventually soft parathas. Even for puris and chapati also you can use milk or yogurt for kneading the dough. Then add plain flour in it. Put it gradually, don't put it all together. Excess flour will make the dough hard and then it will be difficult while rolling it. Mix the flour with all other ingredients using spoon, or you can use your finger and just form a rough dough out of it. Now knead it with your hand until you get the soft dough. Once you get smooth dough, sprinkle some plain flour over it and cover it and keep it for resting at least for 30 minutes. Now divide the dough in equal parts. Take each part of dough and give them a round shape. Now it's time to add the stuffing in it. You can make any stuffing of your choice. I'm using here potato stuffing. For recipe, I'm sharing the link below in the description box. Spread the dough ball with your fingers. Keep it thicker at the center and edges should be a bit thinner. Make the ball of potato stuffing and keep it at the center. And take all the edges together. We need to seal the stuffing inside the dough. Just like this. All the dough balls are filled with the stuffing, so let's roll it now. Sprinkle some flour on the worktop and before rolling, dab it evenly with your hand and spread it a bit. and then roll it with the rolling pin. Give equal pressure while rolling so the stuffing will not come out. You can see the stuffing is nicely sealed inside. Keep the thickness around 1/2 centimeter. Dust out all the excess flour from it. It's ready to go in the pan, so let's cook it now. You don't have to cook it for so long because the inside stuffing is already cooked and the outer layer is very thin. So just like chapati, we need to cook it. You can see how nice and fluffy it is. Once you take it out, put ghee over it. See the inside stuffing. And see the thickness of paratha. I hope you like this recipe. You do try this recipe and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.